Oh yeah, take the... Should we do unboxing videos on these ones? So, we're unboxing the Nanrobot D5 Plus. This is a scooter that a lot of people have been asking us to review. Actually, all the Nanrobot scooters people have been asking us to review. And I think it's because they're a pretty good deal for the price, you know, they're a good value. The company is pretty new to, it's a Chinese company, but they do have a warehouse in Los Angeles. So, you know, this scooter is actually just, you know, shipped to us from Los Angeles. To be honest, it looks real similar to the Speedway 4 or Speedway 5 body because you've got these bumpers on all four corners, which is really indicative of the Speedway series scooters. You got 10-inch front and rear pneumatic tires, which is really nice. They've got a lot of styrofoam. Stem lock here is a little different than at least the Speedway 4. Let's see if I can figure out how to get it up. Oh, that's what she said. I'm not really sure. I probably should read the Oh, there we go. So you kind of just push that up, and then this should lock in place. So that sound you're hearing is a styrofoam, which is lodged into the back here. Which is that brakes look good. It's got dual disc brakes, dual suspension. I know it's dual 1,000-watt motors for 2,000 watts nominal. The tires look good. They're already pumped up for us. The motors they do look slightly different. Let's see if there's any power in this. Really the same stem design, at least this part, as the Speedway 4. And you can see you've got really nice like sheaths on the cables, so that allows these cables to last a little longer. They're not gonna get knocked around too much. The other cool thing is you can see that they've given us, let me just take this off here. They've given us keys, right, which is for this the voltage meter over here, which I'll turn on. And yeah, most likely this needs to be charged a little bit, but you've also got pink and white kind of fobs that we'll have to check this out. So there's your siren. You gotta unlock, a lock. Don't know what that is. We're gonna have to find this stuff out. Let's see how much power we got on here. Yeah, so they got a half charge. Let me just, yeah, so I had it locked, and now if you press this, the alarm is actually going off. So that's kind of cool, kind of interesting. This is for the lights, it looks like. So you got lights here. You got blinkers, similar to the Speedway 4 and 5. Wow, it's pretty loud. I mean, especially indoors, it's loud. And then, you know, you got the left side will connect to the rear brakes. The right handbrake is going to be the front brakes there, so you can kind of see that. So you can kind of see that's the brake going, and then you can see it's got a nice disc brake front, disc brake rear. You got nice fenders on both sides, 10-inch giant pneumatic tires. Most likely these lights, there's a button somewhere under here that'll turn these lights on, if I can find it. You know, it might be the lights right here. Oh, this is nice actually. So normally there's a button under here to turn on these kind of button lights that go out to the front and the rear, if you notice. In this case, they've actually got it right on the handlebars, which is actually preferable. For sure preferable. These things always pop off. Actually, you know what? It looks like they get, oh no, it's not an extra. It just goes right here, you know. And then I'll just say right now that, you know, you should always check all the nuts and the bolts and just like kind of make sure everything's tightened. So you can see there's parts on this scooter that you want to make sure are like not loose, because you know, not every company is gonna do full quality control on their scooters. Wow, that's so. Apparently I locked the thing. And this thing works even when the scooter's off. So if someone tries to move your scooter, I've never seen this before. When someone tries to move your scooter, you're gonna get an alarm going off. That's cool. You know, when I go to like Trader Joe's or whatever, sometimes I'll park it just like barely inside the door if it's like kind of empty store. And I'm always like walking down the aisle and making sure my scooter's still there. In this case, people won't know that it has an alarm on it, and you can probably just hear this, and then everybody's gonna look at them. I think that's a pretty cool feature, actually. And look, even Sherlock likes it. Sherlock, what do you think? What do you think, buddy? So yeah, looking forward to testing this one out. It's very good. I mean, you got keys, you got key fobs. I mean, it's like basically like a car. So pretty cool.